On this week, PE with Mr. Sasaki, we're going to do space rocks. Whoa, hold on, wait a second. Hey, Mr. Sasaki, no, it's not space rock, it's space rocks. It's rocks, okay? Like this meteorite in my hand. We're gonna learn about space rocks from space during our PE lesson this week, okay? Yeah, sorry about the confusion. Yeah, space rocks in PE with Mr. Sasaki this week. Okay, everyone. Are you ready to work out? We are going out to space, where the space rocks started, okay, to start our aerobic workout. Now, I have a real space rock. When a space rock enters the atmosphere, it's a meteor. When a meteor hits the ground, it's a meteorite. And I have one, and I'll show it to you at the end of our workout. So let's get started right now. When we work out, I want you to look for aliens. Count how many aliens you see during our aerobic workout, starting right now.
You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your ability. You are capable of anything. You can achieve any dream. Please don't limit yourself. Don't live your life limited. It's not all sadness and misery. Life's a challenge, but you will succeed. Take control of how you feel in every circumstance. Work on yourself daily. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You have to believe in yourself. You don't have to hide anything. You can be your true self. Don't need to follow society. Never forget that you're blessed. Give thanks for everything. Even the hard times will turn out to be blessings. No matter how you feel, you can learn from your pain. It's there to make you great. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make
Okay. How many aliens did you see? Thinking emoji. All right, everyone, core work, abdominals. We're going to put our hands on our shoulders and we're going to work the middle of our body, our core, right now. Okay, you guys ready? Let's start. Alright everyone, get your bouncy ball. We are going to do some bouncing. One hand, try to do one hand. You can switch hands. You can try to bounce your ball at about waist level. Okay? Waist level, and see how many times you can bounce it. Count how many times you can bounce it, and let's see how good we can be. Now, we're going to learn about some space rocks as we work out.
Nearly 50 tons of space debris crash onto the Earth every day. While some debris shyly dissipate into the atmosphere, others display a spectacular light show. Meteor showers occur when the Earth's orbit intersects with the orbit of a comet. As comets travel, they leave behind trails of rocky material, oftentimes the size of pebbles or grains of sand, but sometimes as large as boulders. Every year, the Earth crosses these trails of debris, known as meteoroid streams, and the planet becomes sprinkled with rocky material. The debris then race through the Earth's atmosphere, creating friction with air particles and generating vast amounts of heat. This heat vaporizes and illuminates the debris as they fall, creating streaks of light in the sky, popularly known as shooting stars. These celestial light shows are often named after the constellation where they appear to originate as seen from Earth's surface. Meteor showers that seem to fall from the constellation Perseus are called the Perseids, and those appearing from the constellation Gemini are called the Geminids. About 30 meteor showers can be seen from Earth throughout the course of a year. And because the showers are timed with Earth's orbit, the celestial phenomena are cyclical and occur at regular intervals. For example, the Perseid meteor shower happens every August, and the Geminid meteor shower happens every December. Meteor showers have inspired awe and admiration for millennia. In Christian tradition, the Perseid meteor showers symbolize the tears of a saint, Saint Lawrence, who was executed in August of the year 258. And in the 1st century AD, the astronomer Ptolemy believed that shooting stars were a sign of the gods looking upon mortals and listening to their wishes. Inspiring everything from making wishes to reveling at the sky, meteor showers are a reminder of our place in a dynamic and beautiful cosmic...
Okay, guys, hanger time. Go get your hangers or your rackets, whatever you're going to use to strike your object up. I have a plastic grocery bag that I filled with air. I'm going to strike it up as many times as I can. While we do that, let's learn a little bit more about some space rocks.
Our solar system is a vast and fascinating place. Between Mars and Jupiter, we find the asteroid belt. Due to the mighty gravitational effects of Jupiter, these chunks of rock and metal couldn't come together to form a planet, and instead made up a solar junkyard of sorts. This is a crowded place to be an asteroid. Sometimes they collide with each other and get knocked off course, and even out of the belt altogether on a very different journey through the solar system. There are lots of names associated with space rocks, so what's the difference? Well, the bigger rocks are called asteroids. The smaller are meteoroids. And when they fly through the Earth's atmosphere, they are called meteors. If they manage to survive their burning descent through our atmosphere and land on Earth, we call them meteorites. Some meteorites contain iron, which makes them very dense, dark, and magnetic. They are the oldest thing you could ever touch, as they are the same age as the solar system. The gas giant Jupiter marks a boundary in the solar system called the snowline, beyond which objects contain a lot of ice. Past the other 3 gas giants, we find a huge ring of ice chunks large and small called the Kuiper Belt, where the dwarf planet Pluto lives. Even more of these ancient, dirty snowballs exist in a huge bubble called the Oort cloud. These icy objects can get bumped off course sometimes to become comets that journey past the planets towards the sun. Some collide with other objects and get smashed to bits. Others head towards the sun and form long, beautiful tails as their icy surfaces warm up. Here they will either fall into the sun, never to be seen again, or they will survive and speed back home beyond the snowline. Here on Earth, we are treated to spectacular natural firework displays in the sky from orbiting comets. As they get close to the sun, they burp, splutter, and crumble, leaving behind a trail of debris. At certain times of the year, the Earth plows through these trails and bits of comet flare up as they fly through our sky.
Hey everyone! Well, what a great workout. Thank you for working out with me and learning about space rocks. And as promised, I have some space rocks, some meteorites. They went through the atmosphere and they touched down here on Earth, and I have them right here. Okay? These are special. All right? They're from the beginning of time. These are literally the oldest things that you can touch with your 2 hands. And I don't know where they came from, and their journey was different, but they made it here into my 2 hands. It's kind of like you. You're special. I don't know where you came from. All of our journeys are different, but we're special because we went on the journey and we made it here. All right. So these are 2 meteorites, and you can see this one. It's really dark. It's been burnt. You can see that the fire of entry into the atmosphere really shaped it. Fire does shape you. Tough times do shape you. And this thing is just beautiful. It's literally from out of this world. You can see some rust on there. It's not perfect, but it's special. This rock is different. Okay, this is shaved off here, sliced so you can see the inside. It's different, it's special. These are heavy. Okay, they're different from Earth rocks. And I just think they're wonderful. Just like I think you're wonderful, you're different, you're special. And together we can do great things, can't we? Just like this. All right. Well, that's it for now. You guys stay safe, be healthy, keep working out, and we will see you next time on PE with Mr. Sasaki.